Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Coinbase account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you get an Excel version of your Coinbase statement? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to get an Excel version of your Coinbase statement anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that your accountant or your bookkeeper is sometimes going to ask for an Excel version of your transactions. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Coinbase dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Coinbase, and this is the home screen. Now, I want to let you know you can actually download a CSV version of your Coinbase statement. With a CSV version, you can go ahead and open that directly in Excel. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to click on your initial here on the top right. Once you click there, you'll see a drop down, and you want to click on manage. Once you click on manage account, you're going to see these 5 options on the left, and you want to click on statements. Once you do that, you're going to see all of your recent statements. Now you can see you have 3 options: HTML, PDF, CSV. CSV is what you want to click on. This is going to organize the data that you can open it directly in Excel. So choose the month that you want the statement and then just click on CSV. Now, if you need a custom report for your Coinbase account to open in Excel, you can do that right here on the right. So for example, if you want year to date, you can click right here. Or if you want a whole year, so maybe all of 2023, and then be sure to click on CSV, because that way you can open it directly in Excel and then click on generate. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to download an Excel version of your Coinbase transactions statement, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.